This salad doesn't just taste good, it's really good for you. Easy to source from your supermarket and easy to put together. Look, I can't promise you the Mediterranean, but I can promise you a great tasting, nutritious salad. Hello everyone, I'm Anthony, the Eclectic Chef. Welcome back to my kitchen. Well, about 8 months ago, I think about then, we put out a superfood salad video. Watercress, avocado and so on. Today I'm back with Superfood Salad V2.0, where we combine 2 different types of dandelion with watercress, avocado, walnuts and a special dressing. This one you might want to take a look at. Why? Basically because of this article which appeared in the Epoch Times last week. It talks about the benefits of bitter foods. Now I happen to like dandelion, but it's very good for you, and it's interesting to compare dandelion to spinach in this recipe. Dandelion beats spinach out on a couple of counts and doesn't have any of the oxalates that spinach does, which block absorption of some nutrients like calcium and can also, for those prone to them, contribute to kidney stones. So here we go with another salad that really is a superfood salad. Good for you, lots of nutrients. The walnuts and the avocados are bringing good fats into your diet. And what's more, it actually tastes really good. So let's go ahead and throw one together. So here are the what I'll call leaf components of our Superfood Salad V2.0. We have red organic dandelions. In addition to the benefits of bitter leaves, these will bring additional antioxidants from the colour. Green dandelions, not organic, about half the price of these. You could just use green dandelions if you're price sensitive on this salad. And watercress still pushes through as the nutrition powerhouse of this salad. These two bring different nutritional benefits than the watercress does. Combined, they make a really tasty salad. So these are going to go into that marvel of late night television, the salad spinner, to make sure they're all nice and dry, and will allow our salad dressing to adhere. So here are our now dried leaves on our salad plate. We'll mix our dressing up. Give this a little toss, keep a bit of the dressing back. Top the salad with half a sliced avocado and some walnut halves, and we will be good to go. So here's our salad right before we dress it. Our dressing in this case is a tablespoon of walnut oil, a tablespoon of Spanish single country olive oil, extra virgin of course, and here's our dressing, to which we also added a tablespoon of some really rich balsamic, which is strong enough to work with the strength of flavours in the watercress and dandelion in the salad leaves. By the way, I emulsify my salad dressings using a milk frother, and I put a little bit of Dijon mustard in to keep everything emulsified. Let's go ahead and finally construct our salad. So here's our superfood salad, finally plated, the additional dressing put on, and this is going to be my lunch today. I've eaten this a couple of days previous, and I'm going to tell you, I know that in addition to being good for us, this tastes really good. You may wonder about the chopsticks. This is not a Japanese dish, but I try to eat with chopsticks these days when the food will accommodate them, largely because I think as an older person they're good exercise for my hand, but they also slow my eating down and give me the opportunity to be a little more thoughtful and mindful about what I'm eating. Let's just have a quick close-up of our salad and then we'll call it a day and have lunch. So zooming in here, you can see the avocado, the walnut halves, our dressed leaves. This really is a good looking salad. Folks, give it a try. Thanks for watching. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. By the way, we'll put the nutrition information in the description. And as always, let's all have a great day in our kitchen.